Hello guys, how are you? It's morning time. Very good morning. You can see a little diesel is here at my farmhouse and looking very beautiful sceneries. I am in my car parking where I kept my car, jeeps and other mobility means. So you can see the climate and atmosphere here at my farmhouse is pretty good, looking so beautiful. Looking so beautiful. As you can see, the drizzling are continuously since overnight, and the climate is really very good. I am shooting this video by my gimbal, which is very helpful to shoot the videos, and hope you like this. So I will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye.